This remote job have paid me $4,065 with these 3 types of job in a week. What if I tell you that another remote job have paid me again? You can take a look at this screenshot at this corner here. Just paid me $1,250. And another one here paid me $315. This other one here paid me $2,500. And total together is $4,065. Guys, this is not a joke. I make this money just in 1 week, right in my phone that I'll be using. And I have come to share the same process on how you can set up your profile, your international bank account, and how you can connect with these international jobs remotely that can pay you what some of your government cannot even do or pay you. First, let me introduce myself to you if you are just newly coming across our video. My name is Sunday, a blogger, a how-to coach, and a YouTuber. I and my crew operate under the name called Okpotatv. So are you still worried? Worry not, because all our subscribers are safe within the tips we share with them. And if this is your first time seeing our video here on YouTube, just click that subscribe button by turning on the notification bell and touch the like button of this video. And those of your friends that you want to see this type of video will have access to it very quick. So without wasting time, let's jump into the app for more process.
So the first you're going to do, you're going to type remote job in the United States on your browser to search it. Go to Google. After you have searched for it, you look for this particular website that I'm about to show you. This website called Indeed, where the arrow is pointing to. Then you click on the website. It will prompt you to thousands of US remote jobs. Here you can see like all the ones showing in the screen. Like the first one here, software design AI training, and you can see the $50 to $100 per hour. Then when you look the next one here, front end developer AI trainer, when you look the amount, $50 to $100 per hour, and you have a contract on demand and the flexible schedule. So from there, when you look to the next one here, software engineering analyst AI trainer. So in this particular option here, when you look at the payment, $50 to $100 an hour, and you have contract on demand and flexible. Then the next one here, we look at it, contract software engineering AI trainer. We look the amount, $50 to $100 an hour. It has contract and also on demand, also have flexible schedule. Then we look on the other one here, who show detection engineer AI trainer. In this option here now, we look to the amount, the payment that they are going to pay per hour. Here you see $40 to $16 an hour. You have part-time and flexible schedule. Then the next one here, incident response engineer AI trainer. We look the amount, $40 to $60 an hour. You have part-time and flexible schedule. Opportunity in visual collaboration for remote sign language interpreter. And here now you can see it, the address here on this particular option here. And if you want to apply, you can go to the website. The next one here, application security engineer AI trainer, and from here now they pay $40 to $60 an hour, and it all part-time and also have flexible schedule. And from this option here now, the flexible schedule, you can schedule it to any time of your choice. Then the other one here, detection engineer AI trainer, and when you look the amount here, they are paying $40 to $60 an hour, and they have part-time and also have flexible schedule. Then this other one here, career in online content creation. If you're among of those people that used to create content, this particular one is for you. If you are doing digital marketing, then this one is for you. And you can see it here, digital marketing specialist, Mandarin speaking. So you can see here the amount they pay from $48,000 to $65,000 yearly, and it have different type schedule of work in there. And you can see this other one here, security engineer AI trainer, and this other one here, they are paying $40 to $60 an hours. They also have part-time and schedule there. Then this other one, incident response engineer AI trainer. From here now, they are paying $40 to $60 an hour. They have part-time and also have flexible schedule. And the next one here, you can see the next one here, job in telehealth service. So from here now, it's also a remote job, and these people, they are paying for those medical director, and the price they pay per hour is $50 to $160 $70 per hour, and they have per time, and they open from Monday till Friday. So there are many jobs in this particular website that I just shared with you, where you can do a remote job from your home, and you can go there to register for any of them. But if you don't know how to package your application, if you don't know how to arrange your application, you can join our training. The link is under the description of this video. Then it will prompt you to where you will be guided on how you can prepare your application and apply for this job. And immediately you apply, they are still going to pay, just like the way I show you some of those receipts that they have paid me. So that is how you do remote job, or you apply remote job in the United States from your home.
If this video really helped you and you have not subscribed to our channel before, please don't forget to hit on subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so that anytime we upload video based on this topic, you'll be the first person to see it. And if there's anywhere you don't understand in this video, you can drop it in the comment section, and I will come to answer each and every comment on the comment section there. Like the video and share it with your friends that are in need of it.